guys, welcome back at my channel. Thank you so much for watching again. This is my backpack. Yes, I know you would be fascinated by that. It is raining cats and dogs outside. Really, it's been pouring down since this morning and it hasn't stopped yet. So we cannot go outside and, well, we can, but we got soaked. So I thought it would be a perfect day to do a little arts and crafts. And as I said, this is my backpack, which I love. I take it everywhere. I take it to work, I take it on outings, I take it to theme parks. It's part of my life. And it's a really nice backpack. It has very tough material and stuff, but it is missing a keychain here. So I've been looking for a Disney keychain for a while now, and I haven't found what I'm looking for. Maybe I'm picky. Well, I am picky, but it wasn't the right one, you know? So I'm thinking with the rain that this would be a perfect day for some arts and crafts, and let's make a keychain for this backpack. So for me to make this keychain, I'm going old school. I'm using Perler beads, and these beads are actually the ones that I used to have as a kid. So as you can see, I was very organized. I have all these trays with all the different colors. You can see that. And there's still quite a lot. So I know that I made things with this, but I think that most of it, when I was finished puzzling it out, I think I did not let my mom iron it so I could use the beads again. That sounds very much like me, because I was afraid to waste any beads, you know. I also found this old booklet that was with the beads. You can see how, look at the clothes of the kids, how old that is. And then inside you have all these very ugly things that you can make. Well, they're not all ugly, but so you can use that for inspiration. Big ones, and I know that I made this one once, but I did not iron it, so it didn't stay together, so I just made it and then I put the beads back, because I thought it would be a waste of beads. I was a weird kid. Like lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of options. This one was by Hema. And there's something saying here which I cannot pronounce. Perlen blend Legatush. I'm thinking it's some sort of Swedish or something, or Danish, I don't know. Anyway, this is what I used as a kid. And well, literally these are what I used as a kid, but today I'm making something and I am going to iron it because I want to use it as a keychain. And I found on Pinterest a nice picture of Donald, and I'm looking for it right now so I can show you guys. This one, hoping that the camera picks that up. Yeah, it does. So I want to make those two and then make a keychain out of that. I don't really know how we're going to do it yet, but we are going to do it. Okay, so we need pink, those beads are really small. I remember that my fingers were a lot smaller when I was young. And then we have Donald as well. So that's what they're gonna be. I'm going to heat up the iron and I'm gonna make them stick together. So Daisy and Donald are now almost falling, but sticking together. I think they turned out really cute. I have a basket here with lots of old stuff. So there's some earrings in here, old keychains that I don't use with beads, and I think I'm just going to use this stuff to make our keychain. So this is going to be my base. I think I'm going to keep the big diamonds because that's kind of cool. And I'm just going to find little rings that I'm going to take off of the other stuff, like this. I'm going to put that on our figures, And maybe I'm going to add the feathers from these earrings because I never wear them. And I mean, they're ducks, so feathers make sense to me. That's kind of nice. And I have blue and I also have pink, so I think that would be cool. So I'm just going to work some magic here. And now it's time for the end result. And this is what I made. So it turned out pretty big with lots of stuff on it, but I really like that. This was the base, the diamond the diamond beads that I used. And we have our Donald and our Daisy here. I used the earrings, so both feathers. And I put some ribbons on top because I just thought it looked fancy. So it turned out pretty big, but I really like it. I like that I made it myself. And also like that I made it with stuff that I had lying around the house, you know. The beads from the attic from my childhood. And like the earrings that I never wear, or the ribbons that I took off some gift, I think. And this was a keychain that I don't use. So some sort of recycling project, which is now turning into a Disney project, and it can go on my backpack. So I love it. And now we're at the end of today's video. It is still raining. Well, it's pouring down outside. So I really like that we had a little craft project that we could do with this very bad weather. I like the result. I would like to thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you've not already done that. Leave me some comments. I always love reading that. And I hope you're having a wonderful day despite this crazy weather. And I'm wishing you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys!